Hey, welcome back guys. So we actually have an issue, and the issue is that the power steering fluid is leaking out. I suspect that the O-ring where the power steering tube gets into the power steering pump is leaking because of a damaged O-ring. So I need to replace that O-ring right now. Yeah, and we'll see if the leaking stops. So actually it's leaking oil from the power steering pump from here. I thought I fitted in properly, but it's leaking pretty bad. So I need to remove this 12mm bolt, loosen it and see what's going on. So it's actually the O-ring inside this pipe. I need to remove this now. It's going to be a big mess. I think a lot of oil will come out. And we'll change the O-ring inside this. Hopefully that should solve the problem. Got the bolt out. Now I need to remove this. It's going to leak a lot of oil. Yeah, it is leaking. So it's actually this O-ring. I think it's damaged. I need to get it out. Maybe I can get this pipe out. So I guessed it right, guys. That was the source of our leak. See, the washer is broken. It got brittle and it's broken inside. And that's why it's leaking from here. So we need to replace this O-ring. That's why the power steering fluid was frothing up when I started the engine. So this pipe is actually coming from the power steering fluid reservoir. So this is that pipe, and this connects to the power steering pump, and there was power steering fluid leaking from this point. You can have only problems from this hose. Either this is brittle and this is ruined, or this could be ruined and this is actually ruined. But this shouldn't cause an issue. And if you don't place this all the way back here, also your fluid could froth up because of the pressure. So now let's go ahead and try to replace this. So I went to Bunnings and got a set of O-rings. I'm not sure what's the size, so I'll just try fitting all these and see which one fits, and hopefully that solves our leaking issue. It cost me just $5.70 or 80 cents. It was cheap. I think this O-ring could fit it. That's it, I fit the O-ring. So let's go ahead and connect it back. Hope this works. O-ring is actually a bit thick, it's not going in. Oh no, it's not going in, it's too thick. Now see this O-ring which I bought from Bunnings, it's actually thick. If it's actually this thick, it will not enter into the power steering pump. And that's the issue with these O-rings. It's too thick. Guys, who would have thought getting an O-ring for the Celia would be this difficult? I went to Repco, I went to Super Cheap Autos, I went to Toyota themselves. I couldn't get this O-ring that was damaged. This O-ring is actually completely different to the one that we use in our households. But if you want the part number for this O-ring, you can order it from Parts Souk, and the part number is 90301-11020. So I got the O-rings from a shop called Seal Imports. So they measured the old O-ring that I gave them, and they found me a matching O-ring. I placed an order on Parts Souk for the OEM O-ring as well, but that will come only after a week. So in the meantime, I thought I'll use a Seal Imports O-ring and see if it solves my issue or not. This is the new one that I got from Seal Imports. It's a bit more thinner. But if it'll work or not, we'll just know after we install it. Let's see if it's entering first. Oh, it's too... Oh yeah, it entered. It entered in. Let's tighten it. It's actually torqued down to 12 Newton meters. Hand tightening is also enough, I guess. Let's wipe it down so that we know if it leaks again. So let's top it up with some fluid. Okay, let's start the engine. So you'll have to go full lock right, wait for 3 seconds, then go full lock left, wait for 3 seconds, again go full lock right, same thing, 3 seconds, full lock left, Now keep repeating this step for 4 to 5 minutes so that the temperature of the power steering fluid increases, and you can go check the reservoir if there's any froth coming up from the fluid. If it does, it means there's some leak in the system somewhere. So let's go check it out now. So as you can see, there is no froth here anywhere. So the new O-ring from Seal Imports actually solved the power steering fluid leak. There's no more leaks anymore, and also the reservoir is not frothing up. So the issue is fixed. I'm super glad. I hope you guys found this DIY informative and useful. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel for more useful information like this. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.